Today we are going to read together. Many of my students told me like they have a difficulty with MCQ. So today we are going to discuss that. So it's better that we read together. So I selected one of the readings, that is Cambridge 13 General PDF Test 1. So we will discuss some of the questions from these 7 questions, and the rest you can do by yourself and you can let me know. So first of all, when we start reading anything, we don't need to read this passage, this side. Just look at the heading and we can get, like, if you are an experienced reader, then I hope you understand what I'm telling, that we can even guess where this information can be found. So now let's begin. Before attempting any question, you have to be very careful with the instructions. Write the correct letter A to G. So when we read the question and when we come back here and searching for the answer, you have to make sure that you are supposed to write the letters of the paragraph, not the names. Okay, so anyway, let's start with the first question. This suitcase, so this suitcase, this is not a keyword for us. For those, this is a keyword which purchase expensive luggage. Okay, this is our keyword. So if you want to concise it more, then what you can do is you can take only one word, that is expensive luggage. Okay, so now after this, let's come back to the passage here. Okay, so let's read from the first one. Bricks and relay weak enter. We can suitcase that soft-gesture. Okay, strong nylon of storage should handle any knocks without showing signs of damage. Okay, sophisticated, neutrally spacious, strong, nylon outdoor. Okay, water and resistant. Okay, so it is not found in paragraph number 1. Then we move to the next one. Trimmed in brown leather, gold, renowned fashion. This is a truly indulgent buy. Okay, so it is matching with the expensive luggage. So let's confirm that this one is the right answer. Trimmed in brown leather. From here onwards we start getting the mentionings which is similar to the question. So gold details is it's there. Then renowned fashion is also mentioned and is a truly indulgent buy. And if you're investing this much in a suitcase, which also indicates that it's an expensive luggage, like it's expensive, then you would better be planning an amazing holiday to go with it. Okay, so this one is so matching. Now let's move to the next one. This suitcase is the right one for, so let's mention or just underline the keywords first. Right one for people who like to follow the latest fashion. Okay, so we just have to find which one is that. Okay, so let's read the next one. Paragraph C, a design you can trust. This is a build from super light. Okay, then incredibly solid. Built-in combination lock offers state security so they can travel peace of mind. Okay, so this one is not matching. That's simple and affordable. Okay, affordable can be taken as a keyword. Then they also come in a huge range of cheerful colors. Okay, choose to put on, you will definitely be able to spot on the luggage carousel at the airport. Now that is also not matching. So now let's take the next one. Those who want something in between, holiday suitcase and a weekend bag. Okay, telescopic handle, guaranteed for 30 years. Dimensions in a colorful leopard print. Okay, so this one is also not a matching. Then let's move to the next one. Oops. Okay, from the brand behind some of today's most popular suitcase is really a delight. Okay, custom printed with Hershey signature leather toggles. This well crafted, stylish and up to date. Okay, so we got the word that we wanted, that is up to date, which is suitable with the latest fashion. Okay, here you can see this word is matching with this word, sorry, up to date. Okay, so this is the way you are supposed to do this MCQ type of questions. If you want, I would like to do one more for you. Now let's read the third question. It is easy to choose one of these suitcases to match most clothing. Okay, match most clothing. We are searching for a suitcase, right? So in this, we can take the keyword as match most clothing, and let's read. Actually, I think we had come across some passage that was colorful that should go with, see, this one. Okay, this is that one, guys. Should go with anything you choose to put on. Okay, so that one is matching. So the answer can be D. See, guys, this is the advantage if you are doing accordingly. So try to do like this. MCQ is very easy, but trust me, you need more practice, you need more experience, you have to be very familiar with the passages, the nature of the passage, what does an introduction mean, every sort of things. If you need more help, I'm ready to help you. Just text me. Okay guys, so we'll meet in the next section. If you find any reading, IELTS reading, which is very difficult, let me know. We'll try to read it together. No issue. Okay then, thank you.